In this tutorial we will take a look at the Gamma AR issue visualization and creation workflow. First of all, we select our model from the project list. Now we are going to align the model with reality. First we select the floor we are currently on. Then we look for the room we are in and select one of the wall supports or room geometries. In our case we are selecting the room geometries. Gamma now suggests edges that we can use to align the model. To choose a different edge, we can simply click the Next or Last button until we have a suitable edge and confirm. Now we move around slowly with the camera facing the floor until the floor is recognized and visualized by the app. Now we can place the red pin in the corner which is shown on the plan by touching anywhere on the screen. Then we place the second pin in the direction shown by the blue line. At last we hit confirm. We have now successfully aligned the model. Now let's take a look at the interface. At the top right corner, we see a menu with a few visualization options. The Show Categories button opens up the list of object categories which we can show or hide. The Add, Remove Stories button allows us to show or hide floors. The Append Model button allows us to combine several models from the same project. Let's take a quick look at the categories selection. Now let's look at the view options. On the right side of the screen you will find a few view options. The first button allows isolating objects. The second button with the three rectangles allows to select multiple objects. The eye allows displaying and hiding objects. The fourth button resets the view to default. By clicking the button with the three rectangles we are going to select multiple objects. To select objects, touch and hold your finger at the object until it turns yellow. In this example we are using the isolation feature which is the first button in the tool panel on the right side. The isolation feature allows you to directly compare the components with reality. Now let's take a look at creating issues. First we select an object like before by touching and holding our finger at the object until it turns yellow and the bottom panel pops up. At the top of the bottom panel we see the different issue creation buttons. Below that, the name of the object is displayed. At the very bottom we find 4 tabs. The first tab shows the properties of the object, the other 3 tabs display different types of issues for the object. In this example we are selecting a door. Isolating the object allows us to easily compare the model with reality. Here we can see that the planned door differs from the installed door. We can now mark the door by clicking on the button with the hook on the bottom panel. We have now created our first issue. We can also add text comments, photos or voice messages, with the first 3 buttons in the bottom panel to create issues. At last let's take a look at how to readjust the model with reality. For better visualization we recommend using the isolation feature. Now we click on the last button in the tool panel on the right side. Now we can simply adjust the X, Y and Z coordinates of our model. Your Gamma AR team wishes you much success with Gamma AR.